How about a little bit of German fabulousness? This week, the Volkswagen T-Cross. And this is the easiest automated parking system I've ever used. It's now looking for a space. It's telling me to drive forward. It says it's found one. It's telling me to drive forward. Now it's telling me to select reverse. Now it's telling me to look around. And it's swinging into that space, which is a little bit scary. Now it's telling me to go forward. Now it's telling me to go back. And it's doing this all by itself, and it's doing it next to a post, which I think is just amazing. I'm not touching anything. Now it's telling me to go forward. Every time you hear a bong, you've got to stop and do something. And I'm watching the rear view, and it's told me up on the dash that the parking assistance has stopped. Absolutely brilliant.